Hello, today you are going to be taking notes on circumference and area of a circle. So please open your notebook to our table of contents and write circumference and area of a circle, page 73. Go ahead and pause the video so you can write this down in your notebook, circumference and area of a circle, page 73. You will need this note paper here. Go ahead and take this note, and we do need to fold this. So we're going to take it from the top and we're going to fold it down so we can still see the word circle on the bottom here. And then you're going to go ahead and glue this on page 73. So again, pause the video so you can glue this on page 73. Okay, so remember we have two formulas. The formula for area is going to be pi times the radius squared, where the radius is the distance from the center to the outside. Circumference is the distance around the circle, and we use the formula pi times the diameter. And the diameter is the distance from one side to the other that passes through the center. Let's go ahead and open up our notes. Again, to review our terminology, remember the radius is the distance from the center to the edge. We abbreviate it with R. The diameter, again, is the distance from one side to the other through the center. We abbreviate it with D. And again, the more we say the formulas, the more we write the formulas, the more we can memorize the formula. So remember, area is pi times r squared. Circumference is pi times d. And again, area is pi times r squared. Circumference is pi times d. Let's go ahead and do our examples. We want to find the approximate area of the circle using 3.14 as pi. So here is our circle. So again, our formula. We know that pi is 3.14. Our radius here is 1 5/10. And then we need to square it. And order of operations, we do our squaring first. So 1.5 times 1.5. We get 2 and 25/100ths. Multiply that with 3.14, and we get 7 and 65/1000ths. They didn't give us any units here, so I'm just going to put unit squared, since they didn't tell us if it was inches or feet, or just give it an arbitrary unit squared. Number 2 says find the approximate area of a circle using 3.14 for pi. So again, our formula again, pi times r squared. Or we use 3.14. This time they did not give us the radius, they gave us the diameter. So we got to half that. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we're going to do 8 squared. So 3.14, 8 times 8 is 64. We type that in our calculator. And I get 296/100ths. Again, we don't have any units, so we're going to put units squared. Number 3, a circle has a radius of 3 centimeters. Approximate its area to the nearest whole number. So we got to round this time. We want the whole number using 3.14. So again, we're finding area. Use 3.14 for pi. My radius is 3. So let's do our squaring. 3.14, 3 times 3 is 9. And I get 28 and 26/100ths. But again, it said round to the nearest whole number. So this is our whole number. I look at the 2. 2 is less than 5, so I want to keep the 8. So this is going to round to 28. So my area is 28 and centimeters squared. Again, make sure you can pause the video at any time to catch up if I'm going too fast. Let's go do circumference. So we have find the approximate circumference of the circle using 3.14. So again, our formula, circumference is pi times d. Again, we're going to use 3.14. Our diameter, they gave it to us, that is 20. 3.14 times 20. We get the circumference is 62 and 8/10. And again, it doesn't have any units, so I'm just going to put unit. Again, no square. Squaring is only for area. Circumference is a measure like your height, so we just put our units. On number 5, approximate the circumference of the circle, again using 3.14 as pi. So again, our formula. So 3.14 times our diameter. They did not give us our diameter. They only gave us a radius, so I need twice the radius to find the diameter. So my 11 times 2 is 22. So my diameter is 22. So 3.14 times 22. And my circumference is 69 and 8/100ths. Again, unit. And then number 6, a circle has a diameter of 10 centimeters. Approximated circumference to the nearest, again, it wants whole number, using 3.14 for pi. So again, we want to find circumference. .14. Our diameter is 10. So 3.14 times 10. And we get 31 and 4/10. We do have units, it is centimeters. Again, pause the video if you need to catch up or missing anything on the notes. And now go ahead and work with your team on your worksheet that the sub will give you. Have a great day.